chilly. I swear. We just can't win. There's something. I was so excited about fruit. And now look at all this. Wind coming and fire danger, and I don't know if you can hear me. This is actually chilly. Stuff blowing everywhere. Dang it. Yeah, it flipped a whole thing over. Tray of lemon bee balm. I hadn't got it planted yet, and it just flipped it right over. Doggone it. Don't look good back here. Oh, seriously? Oh, wow, that's not a tomato, thank goodness. But it's roughed the kale up pretty. Oh, it did get a tomato. Oh. So the best thing to do to try to save it is that. I must not have got that one secure. They need watered, but what's the point right now? The wind will dry it out real bad. Things super dry. Oh my goodness. Look at that smoke. Smoke cloud. Big fire. Fish or somewhere. My goodness. It's still whipping these pretty good. That one come loose. I think the best thing I can do to save this Valencia is to just kind of just lay it sideways and practically bury it. The wind's going to blow all night. This might secure it enough. A lot of these, I only have like one growing of each variety. I really wanted to save the seeds on them. Some of these were too little. I think that's the best thing I can do, is just kind of bury. It looks like some of them come loose. I probably shouldn't be out here under these trees. And this just stinks. See, if they're down on the ground like that, it's because they were too short. It's an 1884 tomato. I might as well just take that. My goodness. So I thought I would come out here and check a few things really quick, like these hanging up. Just go ahead and set them on the ground, because we're gonna have super strong wind tonight. They're really dry too. The best thing I can do for them is just put them on the ground, because the wind is just not my friend today. Ugh. This poor thing is really dried out. It's pretty light. that was barely hanging on. I'd hate to see that get damaged. Maybe there's a tag. It went flying. So if you don't write down what you plant in those rows, you will not know later. These look okay. I did find some of my bags blown that I bagged some of the blooms with. Not back here, but on some of the... That's at Livingston's. I'm going to go ahead and pick this up. Set it in here. And kind of secure it so the wind doesn't really tear it up good. That'll provide a little bit of like a crutch. I'm being real careful. Lots of snakes back here in the back of the farm. At least that'll provide some crutches for them. Doggone it. Oklahoma, where the wind goes sweeping down the plain. Look, these finally have bloomed. Well, guys, I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna get some, check the greenhouse, see if I can attempt to water it, and get back inside because this is gonna really do my asthma in. My husband hung that up. There's a baby, there's a bird's nest with babies in there, and Mama, we picked it up and put it up there. It was down on the shelf, and I knew that, oh look, here's a bird's nest, got knocked out of the tree. Which I wouldn't doubt it today. Anyway, she is snug in there. Normally I would have a hanging plant right here, and when the other garden was down here, and she would build a nest in there every year. So I had the grow bag over there, and that's where she made her nest. So we moved it so the cat wouldn't get it. She stands better hanging up there. That's metal, and there's wire, so should be very sturdy. We got it in there pretty tight. Tonight's winds, you never know.